Welcome to Durango Electro-Culture. Tonight we install the Resonators.
Right, there's that first couple of rows coming up of the snow peas, corn, and sunflowers.
I got 4-foot hardwood dowels, tapered one end, and up 5 inches from the bottom I got a 7/64 hole drilled there, and then on the top, 3 inches from the top, I got another hole drilled there. We have 10 gauge 999 copper wire. Insert into the bottom, set it, and then start twisting. So you want to get this really tight. I mean, you got to hold it good and tight and everything, and wrap it as hard as you can, and then leave a foot at the end so you can have something to work with as you twist and tie it off into soldering. Of course, you're going to burn the wood, but don't worry about it. Flux. Heat. And solder. You want to make sure that this is all tight so the ends don't unravel during the year, so that your electric current is all set. When installing the resonators, they are to be running parallel, equidistant from the grounding antenna. In this particular garden, that's 46 inches apart. Well, I hope you liked that episode of Durango Electro-Culture. Like, subscribe, send money, do cartwheels, plant seeds, for sure. All right, next week I'm going to try to boost up the power on our engine.